Okay, here's an easy peasy tutorial on how to get your image sequences from Blender to Maya so that you can use them as reference footage. So here what I've done is in Blender, I've created a very scribbly looking perpetual ball bounce. I'll play it for you. So that looks fairly familiar. Now, what we need to do is we need to create an image sequence out of this, and then we're going to take that into Maya and use it for our reference footage. So let's head over here to the Output tab, and then what we're going to do is click here and make sure that we're actually saving it into our project. So you can see that that's being done here, but the job isn't finished yet. What I need to do now is make sure that I name the file. So I'm going to call this Blender to Maya, and I'm going to go image sequence. And then I'm going to go underscore number sign, which is going to do my frame padding. It's going to be 2 digits, which works because my first frame is 0, 1, and my last frame is 1, 3. So each of those numbers is going to have 2 digits in it. Okay, that's great. So now what we'll do is make sure that we choose a file format. I'm going to use JPEG. That'll be fine. And then I'm going to go all the way up here to the top left-hand corner and choose render and render animation. So that's going to run through its process, and then I can put Blender away. Next, I'm going to pull up Maya. And in Maya, what I'm going to do is create my camera. So create cameras, camera. And I'm going to turn that camera into an orthographic camera. So in the attribute editor, I'll go to orthographic views and click orthographic. And I'm just going to move this across my stage here. And then what I'll do is I'll go to environment image plane and click on create and move that to the opposite side of the stage. Then what I'll do is click on the file folder here. And what you'll notice is that I now have this Blender to Maya image sequence 01 to 13. I'll choose the first file and hit open. Now I need to make sure that my timeline matches. So my first frame is 1, so I want my first frame here to be 1. And then I'll go to frame 1, tell Maya to use the image sequence, and then when I hit playback, it plays on my image plane here in Maya. So there you have it. Blender to Maya, image sequences for reference footage, easy peasy.